landmine press is a really good option for overhead pressing, especially for people who don't have all the mobility to safely go directly overhead, or if the single arm landmine press is too much stress on the shoulder. So this exercise is going to work your shoulders, your triceps, and also get a lot more pec in there than you would if you were doing an overhead press with, say, a barbell or a set of dumbbells. So you're going to start by putting your hands in a V and just letting the barbell sit in there. And then just get in a little athletic position, hips back, knees are slightly bent, then the whole body stays tight as you press your hands up and out. And you're just extending the arms, bringing them only as low to the chest here. Now, some things you may see your clients doing that we want to avoid is as they press the landmine up, their upper body presses through that gap. So everything else should stay still, and you're just moving from the shoulders.